Hello दोस्तों, my name is Sarvesh and welcome to my channel English with Sarvesh. In this video, I am going to share with you some people, some student that tells that I can understand English but I cannot speak. I can easily understand whatever people they are talking to each other. I can understand podcast. I can understand movie. But when it comes to talk with anyone, so I am not able to talk with anyone. Why it's a happened? It's a happened because of we focus just consuming, like listening, reading, writing. So we more focus to consuming knowledge, but we don't focus to deliver. So the reason is that practical and theory. We focus just the theory. We don't want to practice. I can take one example. Like if I tell you how to ride a bike, so I tell you this is a slater, this is a gear, this is color, all thing. Okay, but when you will not practice to ride a bike, so how can it's possible you will become a rider? You are able to ride a bike. Okay, so the important is thing we need to focus on practice to speak English. When you speak, then you will be able to speak English with anyone in future. Yeah, it will take a time. I'm not telling you you just after one day. Yeah, it's a happen gradually. Okay, and most of people like what they do: listening, reading, writing and speaking. Okay, four things you have to do if you want to improve your English. So I was also following this, and when you write, when you listen, when you watch anything, so that is just a theory, and we want to do this thing easily. We don't have any problem to do this because we don't need to speak with anyone. But when it comes to talk with anyone, so we afraid of speaking anyone, because we think if I speak with anyone, so I will make a mistake and that person will laugh on me, that person will try to pull my leg. Okay, so the reason is that we always want to make ourselves it's a comfort zone. Comfort zone means we just focus listening, reading and writing. But remember one thing, we want to improve our English, we want to learn speaking English, we want to become a fluent English speaker. So how can it is possible to become a fluent speaker but we don't practice to speak? Is there any relation? No, there is no any relation. If we want to improve our English to speaking, so we have to speak. The reason is simple. And one thing also, people they are they don't have a courage to talk with anyone. They are not enough you can say confidence to talk with anyone, and reason is that they afraid of to make a mistake. But one thing I would like to tell you, if we want to improve our English, so really we don't need to make a we don't need to afraid of make a mistake. Making a mistake, it's a good, because after when you make a mistake, then you will sometime you will find your mistake, and then after when you have to talk with anyone in next time, then you can improve that mistake, you can solve that mistake. So this is the good way. Like we want to, if someone wants to walk, like the baby, they want to walk. Okay, and in a beginner time, in an initial time, they fall very well, but after practicing doing again, one day they are able to walk properly. So the simple reason is that we will make a mistake. I know we will sometimes we will fall down, but when we doing regular basis, when you doing again, so one day we will become fluent English speaker. And I am also not fluent English speaker. I am also doing hard work to improve my English. So I also make a lots of mistake. I know. So I would like to tell you, if I make any mistake, so please you try to correct me in a comment box, because I can also learn from something my mistake. When and you know very well, people they are very good in a grammar. If I am making any mistake, so you are very you very well aware of where I have made a mistake. But when we but when we are talking to anyone, that's when we cannot proper absorb where I have made a mistake. So that's the reason is that you have to correct me in a comments box, so I can also improve my English through your help. So I hope you learn from this video, and I would like to tell you we can learn English together. So please be with me, and in future we will become a fluent English speaker. So today I hope it will help you to a lot. Goodbye. I will meet you in the next video.